Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process, and at last so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay, so now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay, so the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing an Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the for dashboard, charts, and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have, then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round, you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and so your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, now I'm going to review a financial planning and analysis certificate program by Wharton Online. Okay, so now we'll be looking into the course detail. Okay, so this course comes with a duration of 8 weeks, and wherein you'll be spending about 10 hours per week, and the format is going to be online, and the total tuition fees that you'll be paying for this particular course will be $4,800 USD. Okay, so this will be close to somewhere around like 4 to 4.5 lakhs that you'll be paying for this particular course. So you have an option to basically pay on a monthly basis. Okay, so then so in this particular course, you will get career focused financial planning and analysis training, and you will learn from top faculty and industry leaders. You'll gain a global recognized certification. Okay, so now I'm just coming to like what all they are covering in this course. So this particular course is basically suitable for financial planning and analysis profiles, then finance professional, accountants, consultants, business leader, non-finance professional, career switchers, and students. Okay, so now I'm just coming down to like what all they are covering in this particular course. So what we are going to learn in this particular course. So 8-week program. So this is going to be an 8-week program focusing on financial planning and analysis, 8 to 10 hours weekly time commitment. This is going to be a self-paced online learning experience. So then the same FP&A training used by the top corporations, so learn directly from the CFOs and FP&A professionals, in-person and virtual networking events, learn by doing with your own real case studies, weekly office hours, and one-to-one coaching. FP&A and certification issued from Wharton Online. Okay, so these are the things that you will be getting in this course. So talking about the program curriculum or the course curriculum. So module 1 will be focused on introduction to the financial planning and analysis. Okay, so then moving down to so the module 2 will be the planning cycle and annual budgeting. Module 3 will be forecasting. Module 4 will be financial analysis and FP&A. Then module 5 will be financial modeling for decision support. Module 6 will be finance business partnering. Module 7 will be reporting, presenting, and storytelling. Module 8 will be preparing for the future of FP&A. Okay, so these are the things that you'll be getting as a part of this course on the curriculum part. Okay, so these are going to be the program directors and the keynote speakers. Okay, so let me see if they are covering any kind of internship or the kind of support. So they have said so they will be covering some sort of internship in the full-time roles. Okay, then talking about in case they are providing any placement. So no, they have not talked about it. Okay, so now I'm going to review this particular course based on certain parameters which are basically listed on the left. Okay, so if we talk about the course depth, so that it is going to be very good course. Excel skills that you'll be learning in this. So live session will be, so this is going to be a self-paced learning course, but you'll be able to solve your doubt in the live doubt session on a weekly basis. Then internship support, so they have mentioned, but placement support is something that you'll not be getting. The course fee will be very higher. Okay, so you'll be paying somewhere around 4 to 4.5 lakhs for this particular course. Course duration will be good. Money back guarantee, so they have not talked about. LMS access is something that you'll be getting in this. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 6 out of 10. Okay, so in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling or investment banking, so I can suggest a better financial modeling and investment banking course, which basically comes with a complete package which covers all the aspects that you expect from any financial modeling course. So I'm going to share the details related to that particular course in the description box. Okay, please check that out. So in case you need any kind of further assistance from my end to understand a little bit more about that particular course, so feel free to ping in the comment section. I'll be I'll revert to you as soon as possible. So I hope you'll like this video, and thanks for joining the video.